This 5-minute solution will show you how to install apps for your Xbox. So first of all, open your Xbox and make sure to sign into your profile. And now here you will scroll down to load games or apps, as you can see, and to search for a specific app that you want to install, you have to select the search box and you have to write here the app or game name that you want to install. So let's install a random game from here. Maybe this one. Here all you have to need, just click on get free, and that's how you'll be able to install apps for your Xbox. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.